To simplify a radical expression involving a cube root, let's consider the expression cube root of 54. Step 1. Factor the number inside the cube root. First, we can factor 54 into its prime factors. 54 equals 2, 3 cubic. Step 2. Apply the cube root. Now, we can apply the cube root to the factors. The cube root of 54 is equal to the cube root of 2 times 3 cubic. Step 3. Separate the cube root. We can separate the cube root into two parts. The cube root of 54 equals the cube root of 2 times cube root of 3 cubic. Step 4. Simplify the cube root of the perfect cube. Since cube root of 3 cubic is equal to 3, we can simplify further. The cube root of 54 equals the cube root of 2 times 3. Final result. Thus, the simplified form of the cube root of 54 is 3 cube root of 2. This is how you simplify a cube root expression.